Hey guys, this is day 91 of Startup, and I'm realizing a shocking truth about the tech companies, about how they claim to do some amazing things with AI and what is the reality behind that. You know how recently Sora came out and it just blew off everybody's mind that these few lines of text they were able to create these amazing videos, all completely machine generated. It's just amazing to see and just stupefies us, and we believe like how far behind we are, how intelligent, how smart these people are to create these wonderful things. But there is something here that is going on a deeper level that we also need to see. This first came to my attention through my friend who is a super smart guy. He did postdoc which is beyond PhD from MIT, and he said that whenever you see AI from far, you see it's so amazing, so powerful, but when you start using it to build your own application, which he's doing now because he's starting up a new company, you realize that it is so lacking in so many ways and so hard to make it work perfectly for your application. Same thing was told to me by another friend of mine who makes 5 million, $10 million products for Amazon. He's employed by Amazon for, and these products sell for 5 million or $10 million to big companies. And he said the same thing, that on the surface everything looks like it's so perfect, so beautiful, but it does so many errors in real life use cases that's almost impossible to use. So something like this happened with me also while I am researching for my own startup. So as I told last video also, that I'm interested in a solution that can edit speech and replace some words. So I'm particularly interested in replacing the names. So if I say, hey Alex, how are you? I want to be able to replace it from, hey John, how are you? So I found actually a library, a system developed by some researcher, and he claimed to have solved this problem. And he has some amazing video on website that really amazed me. So I will actually show you that demo first on their website. So you see there's this audio which has like, for that reason cover should not be given, and this is the original audio.
For that reason, cover should not be given.
Right now they want to replace it with, for that reason cover is impossible. So instead of should be given, it is impossible to be given, and this is the result.
For that reason, cover is impossible to be given.
Almost perfect. And now in this one they actually change 3 words, add 3 words to the sentence. For that theoretical and realistic reason cover should not be given.
For that theoretical and realistic reason, cover should not be given.
Okay, there's slight, it's a little bit bad but still good. So yeah, I was blown away, and I actually downloaded the code, that model, and I was very excited to just try it out. And this is what my results were. First I will actually use the same recordings. For that reason cover should not be given, I want to replace it. For that reason cover is impossible to be given. So this is my output folder. I will delete all the output from the past, and this is the original recording.
For that reason, cover should not be given.
Okay, now I'm going to run this code. So it takes you will see some time to run the code. And you see we deleted these output files, now they're back again. And now I can hear first of all the original.
For that reason, cover should not be given.
And this is the replaced.
For that reason, cover is impossible to be given.
You see, almost perfect, just as it is shown in the website. So I'm pretty excited at this point of time, and I wanted to do my own test. So this is what I did. So I will once again delete the output here so that new one can get generated. And I take my own recording. So this is the text. I am doing quite good, thank you. And this is the recording. I am doing quite good, thank you. And I want to replace it with I am not doing good, thank you. Okay, so I just run this code. So you remember we had deleted this, now it's back again. Let's hear the original first. I am doing quite good, thank you. And now let's listen to the replaced. I am
Not doing
good, thank you. But okay, maybe I changed too much at a single time. So I tried to do another recording, and this time I made this one where initial recording is I'm very excited about this, and I want to replace it with I'm very hopeful about this. So let's first hear the original recording, which is I'm excited. I'm very excited about this. So now it's just one word change, hopeful. Okay, from excited to hopeful. Let's see how it goes. First I will delete this output. And now run the script. So it's running, it takes some time as you can see, but it's okay. And now the output is back. So this is the origin. I'm very excited about this. And this is the replaced. I'm very
hopeful.
about this. Just too bad. I don't think it's useful at all. So yeah, that was very disappointing. I have to work now deeper to really find solution to this problem, because my solution, my product really depends on having this. So you see, this is the problem with AI, the way AI works. It can work wonderfully for few data sets, for few inputs, and it can work horribly for other inputs. And this is what happens with Sora also. I'm 100% sure. Of course, they have not released it for public, but it only works for like 2% or 3% of the inputs, and for other it will give horrible results, like what happened with DALL-E when it came out, I think 4 or 5 years ago. They showed this amazing YouTube video where they were able to make amazing images, but when people tried it, it was producing dogs with 4 or 5 heads or all the bodies connected together. It was just horrible. So yes, tech is advancing, but it's very hard to know where we are exactly, because there's so much hype and there is also a truth which is at a lagging level.